How to get a car in your business. Get a car in your business name, the requirements, and the companies to go through. Want to ride into the office, CEO Suites. If you need a virtual address in the Atlanta area, hit me up. Virtual address start at $25 a month. And we also have co-working and office suites available. First thing you need to do is have your business registered, set up correctly. You can't use your home address if you feel like it, but going down the line of the tiers of business credit, it will hinder you from getting large limit loans. But how to get the cars in your name? Once you get the business set up, address, DUNS number, you start building your Experian and Paydex scores. You need to have 5 vendors listed for both Paydex and Experian. How do you get a vendor, Kevin? Well, business credit, you pretty much buy them, or by getting business credit cards that report. Some business credit cards that report to Experian is the Navy Federal business credit card, as well as the Chase Inc. business credit cards. Some non-PG cards, the Divvy card, Trapago card. We'll have videos on how to get approval, all those on my YouTube channel. Go check that out. Or you can go the Net 30 route. Get your U-lines, your Grangers, your Quills, your Shirtsy. Who else is reporting these days? You can kind of move up, get some gas cards, Suma office supplies, CEO something. But anyway, Net 30s. I have a whole list of Net 30 accounts on my YouTube channel as well. Or you can get my ebook where I tell you all the up-to-date Net 30s that are reporting. These things change every other month, so best to be up to date. Or you can go the autopilot route through companies like eCredible and Red Spectrum, where you pay a small fee of, $10 to $50 a month, and they report on your behalf, sort of like NAV and sort of like Dun & Bradstreet reporting tools. So recap. You need 5 trade lines reporting on your Dun & Bradstreet and your Experian. Go to nav.com and sign up to see who's reporting and see when you get to those 5 trade lines. And then build them up by using Net 30 or business credit cards or business line of credits. Alright, but I have all those listed on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in getting a car in your business name, check all those videos out, how to build those trade lines, get to those 5 trade lines, your Experian and your Paydex, aka Dun & Bradstreet. You can get a truck, a car, a Tesla, a Benz. Oh yeah, I can tell you the banks to go through. Ford, commercial, for work trucks, vans, Mustang, GT, Mach GTs, and Alley.com works with pretty much all the dealerships. So you can go through Alley to get a Benz, get a Tesla, get a new electronic vehicle. Gas prices high, you might want to get you an EV. Damn, it's about to wreck. Get out the phone. Niggas can't drive out here.